Meet the Samsung JetBot Plus Robot Vacuum Cleaner with Clean Station, automatic emptying, precision cleaning, 5-layer HEPA filter, smart power control, hardwood floors, rugs and rugs. Samsung's new JetBot Plus Robot Vacuum and Cleaning Station with advanced LiDAR sensors uses precision mapping to clean your home more efficiently, using detailed floor maps controlled via your mobile device. Identify the type of floor surface and the energy required to thoroughly and deeply clean rugs with energy control technology. Use the hygienic, touch-free Clean Station to automatically empty the bin and prevent dust from being released back into your home. Comprehensive 5-layer HEPA filtration system traps up to 99.99% of dust. Select where the cordless vacuum should or should not clean directly from your smartphone. JetBot Plus recognizes rooms and selectively cleans areas based on your preferences. Check the status of the JetBot Plus using the SmartThings app. Quickly view motion on a map of your home from wherever you are and see where it has been cleaned, instructed to pause or stop, and view its cleaning history. The 0.3-liter waste bin is fully washable. The high-efficiency brush has fine anti-static fibers and self-cleaning extractors to prevent tangles. Clean your home using voice recognition, compatible with Bixby, Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Accurate navigation LiDAR sensors create accurate room maps for the JetBot Plus to navigate, so don't worry about your robotic vacuum going places it shouldn't. Mapping can also be controlled via the Samsung SmartThings app. Intelligent power control. JetBot Plus identifies the surface type and amount of dust and automatically adjusts the suction for you to get a thorough cleaning regardless of the floor type. Automatic emptying with cleaning, a convenient, no-touch and hygienic way to empty your robot vacuum's trash bin. Clean Station removes dust using AirPulse technology. Cleaner Air, advanced 5-layer HEPA filtration system, traps up to 99.99% of dust. Choose where to clean. Select where the JetBot should and should not clean by choosing specific areas of your home to clean with Select and Go. Clean any surface, clean carpets and hard floors effectively. High-efficiency brush roller features fine anti-static fibers and self-cleaning extractors shred hair to prevent tangles around the brush. Real-time tracking. Check the real-time status using the SmartThings app and see where it has been cleared, instruct you to pause or stop and view your history. Thousands of people are already satisfied with the Samsung JetBot Plus Robot Vacuum. See this real testimonial from a satisfied customer. Chris reports that he has tried all brands and they are good. Something was always missing. I read that had LiDAR. And my house is big and has complicated corners and furniture. I bought the first one for my first floor and by far compared to the other brands this is it. He is intelligent, he aspires with purpose. When you need to speak and say it's locked. The integration of SmartThings apps is amazing. You can remotely use it as a sentry and stream video to your phone. You can literally pretend you're vacuuming and if someone breaks into your house, you have a witness. He goes between the chair legs, sees new boxes on the floor, and walks around them until he sees and picks up every inch of every room. It finally has that little bit of sass and extra personality that the rest miss. And I tried them all, and I returned them all. Once I saw that this is it, I got the second. Bobby and Wally are the best team around. The house smells dusty and clean. For me, it was one of the best purchases I've made. Don't waste any more time. Do like Chris, order yours now by visiting the official website, link in the video description and pinned in the first comment.